video, we'll be going to understand more about how you can tell your app or game story with the screenshots basically. So we'll try to understand what this particular course is talking about. We'll try to learn that. Okay. So in this, what they are telling is if they install your app or a game, one way to answer this question is with screenshot. Course is designed to help you learn. Okay, what role do screenshot play in your store listing? What are the some recommended screenshots? What are the some recommended best practices? How to write the taglines? So these are the things you will be going to learn. So about the screenshot, what are the screenshots? So what the screenshots will convey? Your app capabilities, what your app will do, look and feel, experiment, experience to the potential users can have a significant impact on the decision to install or not. Okay, whether this app is benefit for them or not, it will be going to identify based upon the screenshots and the app title and description. Okay, then screen size and specification. What are the screenshot displayed? Okay, both. If a promo video is available, screenshots are shown. Okay. After the promo video, they are sequenced from left to right using the screenshot best suited for the device and user is browsing on. Okay. How are screenshots prioritized? Our Google Play Web Store phone screenshots are prioritized for the device types. Okay. And what are the some best practices to consider for screenshots? Okay, like app game experience, how they can have it. So you can add a just a demo tutorial kind of a stuff so that the users get to know what your app is all about and how you can do it. How it will gives the benefit to the users to install that particular applications. Okay, so potential users in app experience, like how they will be going to get. Let's suppose create one story basically, folks. So let's suppose it is a food delivery app. So what you will be gonna do is you can create one demo trailer kind of a video where you are showing full app, not a whole app flow. You are showing a journey to them. Let's suppose you book one particular food, how it will be going to help out them, right, to get that food into deliver to their locations, right? This is a particular thing you need to consider all about. So that will helps the user's journey to understand more about the app. Okay, so this thing you need to consider fast delivery, yummy food, download now, like that. Okay, so these are the things you need to consider when it is a booking kind of a appointments, how this app will help out. So let's suppose some user is coming, it is having sneezing, so he can book an appointment for the doctor, then he can get the delivered with a video call chat, something like that of things you have to consider. So that the more users can come into the app and they can register and can visit. Okay, they can book an appointment and they can get the appointment. Okay, so these are the things to consider, folks. That's it about this video. So in the next video we'll try to understand about the next things.